jumpsuit from scratch. I want to make a looser fit jumpsuit with facing on the top of the bust and the back, and I will finish the seams hemming, but you can use bias binding, and I think I will make the back top smaller than the front top. My neighborhood is full of dogs, and forgive me if you listen something. If you have a base block pattern, I encourage you to use it. It's almost the same process. You will add the easy, the seam allowance you want. The first step is to decide if you want a tight or a looser fit jumpsuit. Remember that this jumpsuit doesn't have any zipper or buttons to open and wear it. You need a minimal ease to your jumpsuit fit comfortable. So measure your hips plus 5 centimeters more or less and see what you would like it to be. And these are some measurements that you need for this project. Measure your waistline. Measure your hips at the widest. Measure your bust distance point and decide the width for the top of the jumpsuit. Measure from the bust to your waistline. Measure the cuff depth. You need to sit on a flat chair and place the measuring tape at your waistline to the chair seat. Measure your ankles and knees. Measure from your bust to your ankles. This will be the length. For this project, you need paper, pencil, open, scissors, ruler, measuring tape, fabric, and matching thread. Draw a vertical line as a guide. So mark the measurement from the top of the jumpsuit to your waistline and draw horizontal lines. At the bust line, mark the width of the top of the jumpsuit divided by 2. At the line of the waistline, mark your waistline divided by 4 plus an ease of 2 cm or the ease you want. Mark 3 cm below the waistline. This measurement is an ease to your jumpsuit, doesn't squeeze your cuffs when you sit or move. You can add more centimeters if you need to. Mark the height of the crotch depth. Then draw a horizontal line and mark your hips measurement divided by 4 plus the ease you want. To find your back crotch, divide your hips measurement by 16 or you can use 10 centimeters. That's an average measurement and it can fit you or not. Mark this measurement at the horizontal and vertical line and make a curve. Mark the length you want for your jumpsuit from the waistline. If you want wider pants, you can draw a straight line from the hips to the bottom line. If you want looser fit pants, you can draw a line with your knee circumference plus an ease of 5 cm divided by 2. Or if you want a fitted pants, you can use the ankle measurement plus an ease of 5 cm or more or less divided by 2. I will add 4 cm for the hem. You can add how much you want. So now we just need to connect the lines. Bottom mark to hips, hips to waistline. At the waistline, mark the same measurement of the bust and close the rectangle. Make a curved line from the bust to the waistline. I decided to make a little curved line from the waistline to the hips. At the top of the bust, add 1 cm from seam allowance. From the bust side to the waistline, add 2 cm for the hem. And from the hip side and the legs, add 1.5 cm or 1 cm if you want, for seam allowance. Make a curved line connecting the crotch to the bottom line. And add the same seam allowance. And the back pattern is done. Make the same process to the front pattern. The only difference will be the front crotch measurement. To find this measurement, divide your hips by 18, or you can use 8 cm and an average measurement. Remember that it can fit you or not. So make a toile to check if the pattern fits you comfortably. To make the inside pockets, draw a guideline and mark 20 cm. Then mark more 7 cm. Make a horizontal line at these marks. At the middle mark, mark 3 cm inside the pattern and draw a line. At the top line, 18 cm and close the rectangle. You can make the curves by hand or you can use a curved ruler to draw a curve at the top and sides of the pattern. Cut your pattern and adjust the curves if you want to. And this is how your pocket should look like. To make the straps, cut 2 pieces of 10 cm by 60 cm. To make the loops, cut 2 pieces of 6 cm width by 20 cm length. To make the facing, cut the width you choose for the back top plus 4 cm by 10 cm length. Make the same process to the front top facing. To make the front pocket, cut a rectangle measuring 25 cm width by 22 cm length. Fold in half and cut 5 cm at a 45-degree angle on the side. Fold the sides 1 cm and press it, making the same process with all the sides. Pin it if you want. Fold 2 cm of the top of the pocket and press it. Fold again and pin it. Sew the top of the pocket. I didn't realize that there were holes at the middle of the bedsheet, so I won't make a long jumpsuit, because I don't have enough fabric. Cut all the pieces. With the right sides together, pin the back piece, the front piece, and sew it. Press the seams. Finish the seams with an overlock or zigzag stitches. Fold the strap loop in half and press it. Reopen the strap, fold the raw edges to the middle and press it. Pin the straps loops and add stitch. To make the straps, fold the strip with right sides together, then fold one raw edge to the middle. Make the same with the other side. Pin it. This is how your strap should look like. Sew with 1 cm seam allowance. Cut the excess fabric and turn the strap right side out. Fold the raw edges to the middle. Top stitch the opening side or both sides, adjusting the folded fabric of the strap. Finish with overlock or zigzag stitch the bottom edge of the front and the back facing. Press the straps, the loops. Place the pockets 3 cm from the waistline front piece on both sides and pin it. Make the same process with the back piece. Sew the pockets. Press them well and opening the seams. Press the middle seams, and if you want, you can top stitch both sides. Press it again. Find the middle of the pocket and place it 11 cm from the top. Pin it and sew it. I'm making a double top stitch. Fold the loop and place it 3 cm from the side of the top of the front piece. Pin it and make the same with the other loop. Then place the front facing with right sides together and pin them. Make the same process with the back piece and the straps. Sew them with a 1 cm seam allowance. Press the seams and pin the facing to hold it in place. Make a line with an erasable pen or a tailor chalk 8 cm from the top at the front and the back pieces, and top stitch at this line in the first seam. Place the front piece to the back piece with right sides together, taking care to match the pockets and pin it. Sew the sides with a 1.5 cm seam allowance. When you get close to the pocket opening, sew the first seam, stop, lower the needle, and turn your piece to sew the side of the pocket. Make the same with the other side. Pin between the legs, taking care to match the crotch seams. Sew it with a 1.5 cm seam allowance. Try on your jumpsuit. This is an adjustment that you might have to make or not in your jumpsuit. Reduce the width you need of the sides and draw a line to the beginning of the pocket. In my case, I wanted to shorten the length. And the jumpsuit turned out bigger than I wanted on the sides, so I decided to cut the excess fabric. And sew everything again, the pockets, the sides. And between the legs. After correcting the fit adjustments, finish the seams with an overlock or zigzag stitch. Press well all the seams. Let's make the hem, so fold 2 cm and press it. Then fold 2 cm again and pin it. Make the same with the other leg. Top stitch the hems. Fold 1 cm from the side of the jumpsuit and press it. Then fold 1 cm again, the hem should be parallel to the strap loop. Press it and pin it. Sew done. Press well the jumpsuit. And this is how your jumpsuit turned out. I would love to know if you made your jumpsuit. And if you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.